In this video, we are going to talk about how to solve for x when you have two similar figures. If you look at this similarity statement, it says that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So what that means is that each of the angles are going to correspond accordingly. So angle A is going to correspond with angle D, angle B is going to correspond with angle E, and angle C is going to correspond with angle F. Oftentimes people like to take the two figures and turn them or rotate them or reflect them so that they are facing the same direction. So that's what I'm going to do with triangle DEF. I'm going to take triangle DEF and redraw it so that angle A and angle D are in the same location, angle B and angle E are in the same location, and then angle C and angle F are in the same location. So if I do that, I'm going to label my angle 72 degrees, and then I'll also label my x and my 25. Once you've got the two figures so that they're drawn the same way, it's often easier to figure out what your proportion should look like because it's easier to figure out how the side lengths match up. So now I can see that 100 is going to correspond with 25, so I'm going to put those in a ratio together. I can also see that 128 is going to correspond with the x, so I'm going to put those in a ratio as well. From there, all I have to do is cross multiply. So if I do 100 times x, I get 100x, and if I do 128 times 25, I get 3200. Just divide by 100, and I will have my answer. So in summary, if you have two shapes that are similar to each other, you're going to want to try to figure out which sides correspond to each other so that you can set up a proportion. Once you set up your proportion, you cross multiply and solve for x.